Hey guys, again. Um, I'll give you your grammar first couple works that we have to do to make sure that you have them done. Um, we are gonna go back to the sentences lists as we always do because amongst all the topics on the book, the most important thing that you have to do is to be able to do sentences. And so far you have failed on that once and once and once and once and once and once and once again. Um, I'm glad that most of you did amazing in the grammar exam. The grammar exam was super, mega, recontra, super, hyper easy. So it was expected for you to do it. Um, some of you have failed the class because of your last cumulative, so I hope that you put a better effort into these cumulatives this quarter. And we are going to start by doing some exercises. Maybe you have done them. And if you have done them, you don't have to do them because you will have time to do them. This is going to be a brief on your book, and then I'm gonna upload some videos for you to do using the board that I have in here the other day. So let's do a brief summary on 99, 100, and yeah, 99 and 100. So in page 99 from your book, if you don't have it, pause the video and go get it, and then come again. And get a pencil. In 99, the topic is past and perfect verb tenses. We have done that before. I actually gave you a homework during the review that we were doing to make a list of the perfect verb tenses. And you sent it to me. Now, in here we have, remember. Sorry, the curtain is getting a little crazy. Okay, stay there, okay? Remember, the present perfect tense tells about an action that began in the past and it's still happening. It is formed with have and has. Remember, have for I, you, we, they, she, he, and it, and has for she, he, and it, and the past participle. Paul has read many stories about the sea explorers. The purpose of this video is for you to fill in 99. Then I'm gonna use the word during the week, but I just wanted you to have like a brief on how the book uses the topic. And then we have the past perfect tense describes a past action that happened before another past action. It is formed with had and past participle. Now, as you remember, had is the past tense for both, for have and for has. So had is gonna be used for I, you, we, they, she, he, and it. And then we're going to complete the chart. We have the simple past of the word, the present perfect with have and has, and the past perfect with had. You have to complete that. We have an example. We have explored is the simple past. And then in the present perfect, we're going to add have slash has, and then the present perfect of that would be explored again. And if you don't know the present perfect tense, you can go to the internet and find out which one is it, because that's what we used to do in the classroom. I used to find that if you didn't. And then in the past perfect for explored, we would have had and again explored. Let's do another example. Let's do for an example number 6. We have the past is wrote for number 6. That's the past tense of write. And then we have for the present perfect have and has written. And then the past perfect would be had written. Okay? So this is the chart that you're going to complete this week. And you're going to make sentences with each and one of these words. So for an example, you're going to make one with explored, but as much as you're using have and has, you're going to write I have explored, you have explored, we have explored, they have explored, and then for has, she has explored, he has explored, it had explored, Shayla has explored, Lucio has explored, the dog has explored. all of those examples we're gonna make sentences with. And we can explore the earth, the moon, the planet, the classroom, the cave. We can explore a lot of things. And then we're gonna make the same with all the nouns, but in the past tense. I had explored, we had explored, but in this case you can actually use other kinds. You can say I had explored, and instead of saying you had explored, you can say Susana had explored. Instead of saying we, you can say me and my mother had explored. Instead of saying they, you can say the fourth graders had explored. And instead of saying yeah, that. And then again, she, you can say Susana had explored, Juan had explored, Toby the dog had explored. So I want you to use a mix of nouns in order with the names. Okay? For that, I'm gonna upload an example in the platform, in the wall, so you can see what I want for you, and you're gonna make it for each one of the words. For explored, for the past tense of gone, of begun, of given. And if you have troubles finding what the past tense, let me know. But this is something that we have done before in the classroom, and we did it the last part of the quarter when I gave you a homework. Okay? So that's so far your homework. I'm gonna upload an example in the platform so you can see how you should do it in your notebook. I don't mind if it's print or cursive because I want you to do it. Okay? See you guys.